and a good day to you from ChemHelp ASAP. Now, we've spent a lot of time talking about hybridization in previous videos and how it's a very useful tool for predicting bond angles and geometries of second row elements. But I have a dirty secret to share with you. Hybridization is not real. Now, before you get outraged, how could you teach us something that's not real? And why do other organic chemists, not just me, teach about hybridization? Well, as it turns out, we use a lot of tools in our lives that aren't necessarily real, but they help us gain information. And we sacrifice the reality of the situation in return for the usefulness of that information. So let's draw a parallel to something else. On the screen, we have just a brief description. We're going to hold a picnic, and so we have this picnic lunch. And what are we going to serve at this picnic? Let's serve chicken. And I hope you like chicken, because that's what we're going to serve at our ChemHelp ASAP lunch. We're going to have 100 guests. And of these 100 guests, we're going to have 60 adults and 40 kids. And so we have a problem. We have to predict how much food should we buy or prepare for our picnic. So 60 adults. Let's assume each adult is going to get two pieces of chicken. So that will be 120 pieces for the adults. And the kids, they don't eat as much, presumably. And so we'll have 40 pieces of chicken. And in total, we need 160 pieces of chicken. And of course, we need some side dishes. So 100 pieces of chicken, not pieces of chickens, but pieces of chicken. So let's say we hold our picnic and everybody gets fed and it comes off fine. Well, everybody got fed not because every adult ate their precious 2 pieces of chicken, but some adults ate more than 2 pieces. Some adults ate less. Some adults may not have eaten any chicken because they don't eat meat. But this was just a general tool that we use, this approximation, 2 pieces for an adult, 1 piece for a child, to help us predict how much food to have. Hybridization works exactly the same way. It's not based in reality. The atom does not actually make sp3 or sp2 hybridized bonds. It's just a way for us to simply and quickly visualize what's going on with the atom so we can predict 2 things: geometries and bond angles. Now, we will sometimes use the hybridization of an atom to predict other things like its chemical reactivity. We won't do that too much because that's not what hybridization was designed to do. So even though hybridization is not real, it's okay. It's still a very useful method to gain information about the atoms in our molecules.